In this video, I'll cover how to add multiple levels using the RedX Walls app. So I've built the first floor right now, and there's two options to add a second floor, or actually there's a few options. So you can either have the second floor auto-generate if your path is the same. You can press on this level selector here and press on the new level. When you press on the new level, that'll auto-generate that second floor using the same path of the first floor. If we wanted to have a different second floor layout, you can, let me just go ahead and undo that. And if we can go into top down, you can select the floor tools, and here we can draw our own custom perimeter. So I'll select the draw perimeter, and starting from the corner of the house there, I'm going to just draw out the path, and let's say it's going to go like that. So then in this example we'd have a lower roof here, and then for the walls you would open up the house tools and we should be able to just auto generate the perimeter. So it's going to take that that second floor and generate that upper perimeter. Now, in working with different levels, if you had to go back to that second floor to add some interior walls or just get a better view, under the level tool selector, you can either just select on that level one and it's going to open it up. When you want to go back to your second floor, press on level 2 to get back up. You can also hide certain levels, so if you were on level 2 but you had to get a look under, just hide the first floor, then you can get a look at your joist underneath. So that covers, I guess, working with different levels on the RedX Walls app.